What's up guys, here we are in a new video, and this video we are going to be reviewing this webcam once again to see if this is worth buying or not. I bought this webcam months ago. Actually, I've made a full video reviewing this. I made a lot of live streams with this webcam, which the quality is manageable, but for now I'm going to be telling you all about this webcam to see for yourself if this is worth buying or not. So let's dive into it. At first, we are going to start off with the design. This have an amazing and simple design. This comes in color black, which is looking great. It also have some kind of a glossy finish on it, and you also have a lens. So this is a lens, you can twist it around to increase the clarity of the image or to reduce the clarity of the image, of which I don't think there's any need to reduce the clarity of the image. Also for the size, this is the perfect size honestly, because you won't want to buy something bulky. So for the size, it's okay. This can sit perfectly on your monitor. Also, you can mount it on your tripod, monitor, laptop, or whatsoever, because when you look down here you can see there's a place to mount your tripod. And also, one advantage about this webcam, it have a very long cable. So with the long cable you can do a good cable management instead of having a very short cable, so that doesn't make any sense. Also, this is very flexible. You can twist it around to get a perfect angle. You can twist it to the right, to the left, upwards, downwards, whatever you want to do with it. So the main reason I bought this webcam, I know at the first place I'm not going to be using this for live streams a lot. The main reason I bought it is for the design, so that it can beautify my desk setup and make it even better. So with the webcam on top of the monitor, that looks amazing. But I'm not sure, this kind of looks like the Logitech webcam. I mean the design, not the quality. You can't compare the quality because the Logitech webcam is much expensive, so it's going to be clearer and everything is going to be smoother on that. So when it comes to a camera test, actually there are a lot of live streams on the channel. You can just go click and check. All the live streams on the channel are streamed with this webcam. But also, this a little look at the camera quality. So I think we are going to put a stop to that and also put a stop to the YouTube shorts. So now let's talk about the sound quality. Actually, the sound quality isn't that bad, but I won't recommend you to use the microphone on this webcam. I use my own external microphone to stream, so the microphone is not that bad actually. You can manage, but just in case, it's better for you to buy an external microphone if you are going to be streaming with this webcam. So now let's talk about the price. So this costs something like $10. It's not that expensive, and remember, the main reason I bought it is for my desk setup, to make it look better, not to be streaming with this webcam. But there are a lot of webcams out there like the Logitech. You can go and check out. I will leave links in the description of the video, so make sure to go and check out. But if you want this one precisely, I will leave a link in the description of the video also. For the price, this is worth buying. If you want to buy this to make your setup look better, it's worth buying. For the camera quality, it's manageable. For the audio, it's kind of bad. So for the price, is the price is really cheap. It's okay. So I think this webcam is worth buying if you're a beginner and you can buy and manage this. So that's all for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Until then, I'm gonna meet you guys in the next one. Yes.